ladies and gentlemen, good day, good day, good day. I hope you all are well, and I hope you all are having a fantastic Sunday morning today. You know, it is MGRFX Trading, and today what I have on the platter is a lovely market recap for the previous week that we had, that second week in November. Just have a beautiful market recap for you all, and I'm sure it's going to be a absolutely fantastic and amazing video. Of course, as you guys may know or may not know, I have just released the MGRFX Trading Semi-Automated System. It is currently a custom indicator on TradingView, and you know what, as the years go on, as the months go on, I've planned to make that into an MT4 and MT5 custom indicator, and even perhaps a bit of a trade manager being thrown into there, so we can of course put in and adjust our lot sizes so we can have the best money management in place. And of course, that is all in the plans to come. But for the time being, now we have a beautiful custom indicator. And as you can see, it's called MGRFX Semi-Automated System. And to get your hands on this one, you would need to find yourself just going through to me, popping me a lovely message, or going through to our website, and we can certainly take it from there. But all right, let's get straight into the video. So a lovely weekly recap, and I'm just going to show you the power of the system. It's beautiful, it's fantastic. It can be used for intraday trading as well as swing trading. So it's very, very powerful. And I'm very, very happy. And it's 4 years of expertise inputted into a lovely custom indicator. And then of course I do have a separate strategy for trading fundamentals as well as for scalping. So I do have that in hand, when you purchase the course, and you're going to be, you will get it's a absolutely fully comprehensible. It's a comprehensive 10-module course that covers everything from swing trading, intraday trading, scalping, fundamental trading, into everything, and of course how to utilize the correct risk management when trading all these trading styles. All right, that is that on my end, and let's get right into the video. So yeah, I'm currently on NASDAQ, and this is of course the NASDAQ index, US NASDAQ 100 by the broker Oanda, and we just had a beautiful buy on Friday, coming close into New York session at around 3 p.m. Of course, New York would now be at 4 due to daylight savings. That still probably has to take effect, but ideally this is of course what we have here on the platter, and it was a lovely buy, very clean. I wouldn't have recommended this to my beginner traders, but it was quite a clean trade setup. If you knew exactly why we had a lovely impulse towards the upside. So that was that on my end, and what a beautiful trade it was. Going to upright and straight into US 30. We had the same type of setup, and of course with US 30, it was certainly a lot more cleaner and more straightforward in terms of how we went about it. So I had a beautiful trade opportunity over here, and we had a lovely trend line, and of course we love our trend lines. And then we had a beautiful market structure shift as well. I'm just going to get my drawing tool, and I have it here, and you can see it was a down, up, and it was absolutely fantastic. So I love that lovely opportunity over there, and I'm just going to go to the next pair over here. That's of course Friday's trades, and this was, last week, Monday, we had a beautiful sell opportunity and we smashed all to take profits. However, there wasn't just one trade this week. I do believe that there was another one. It was around this level over here at which you could have found yourself, at taking that beautiful sell position there. And I know it would have updated, but because the market has closed, we just default into the first sell level at the beginning of the week. That's of course the limitations of the system. It does sometimes just refer back to the previous few setups, but I can tell you for a fact that there definitely was one on Wednesday, a lovely continuation sell opportunity over there on AUD NZD. And then we have AUD Swiss franc. With this pair, we had a beautiful sell over here as well on Thursday. That was the only clean setup, and there was another sell. You can say it was around Wednesday as well. And the main one, of course, was around Monday and Tuesday, where we had the beautiful sell over there, and stop loss was placed just above this previous high created. Beautiful opportunity. And just having a look over here, of course, Thursday's opportunity on the 9th of November, that was a lovely opportunity. Very, very clean. and very straightforward as well. The system just inputs the sell level, stop loss level, as well as the take profit level. As you can see, that TP1 was certainly a risk reward of 2-1, with your stop loss being in place anyway, and right straight into profit. Okay, would have been a 2-1 if we just had it a little bit below the TP1 level, but still fantastic risk to reward, and certainly a pay that you can, find yourself just trading, and it's so fantastic. It's so simple. It really is stress-free trading. Once again, over here on AUD CAD, we had a beautiful opportunity again on 9th November. And of course over here, what a fantastic sell that was. And I'm going to argue and say it was again a 2-1, but it probably was a 1-1.75 once again. Oh, not even a 175 or 166. Well, definitely if you put it into 2-1 TP2, then that'd be perfect. Normally our TP1 would just be an indication that you have to put your stop loss break even, and then your TP2 is the actual target of the trade. That's how I have it. Just to make sure that we run our trades risk-free and that we always applying sound risk management. Remember, forex trading is about capital preservation. It's not necessarily about how much we can make. Of course, that's the end goal, but we need to make sure that we are protecting our capital in the sense that we don't want to lose more money than what we are making, and of course, that's ultimately what makes you a profitable trader or not. And that is hammered across very, very heavily in all my live Zoom sessions with my traders. And actually, speaking of live Zoom sessions, I just want to introduce a lovely new trader to our institute, and his name is Peter John Flores. What a fantastic young gentleman that he is, and I'm honestly very, very chuffed that he decided to join our institute. I hope it's going to be a fantastic and a long, successful journey with us. Of course, all courses are 100% lifetime mentorship. So as long as I'm around, so you'll certainly be mentored by me. And I just want to introduce him formally and officially. And I trust it's going to be an absolutely fantastic journey that we will be having. So I hope you have a fantastic one. I hope you're watching this. So you have a great one. Let's get to train. Let's make some money as well. All right. AUD CAD, I think we've spoken enough about that. I'm going to go through to CAD JPY. And on CAD JPY, this opportunity, I wouldn't necessarily even say that it was a valid one, simply because I wouldn't find myself placing a buy at 6 p.m. on a Friday evening, simply because markets close and anything can happen in between that time frame. Even if you have a stop loss at break even, as I said previously, when we reach TP1, your SL's break even, I wouldn't even do that, because if price just opens up below our stop loss, we will still find ourselves incurring a loss, because there will be a gap in between where current price is and the open price of Monday morning. But that is that on CAD JPY. If I look at the movement over the course of the week, there wasn't much movement for much opportunities. There probably was maybe one sell over here, but that only barely even smashed TP2 over there. If I look at that carefully, I'm not going to go into there. I just want to find myself heading back. Let's see here, there was a buy, this was a valid buy, but even then I still wouldn't have found myself taking any position, simply because of the market movement. And of course, we don't just randomly enter in our positions in terms of when we just see a signal being given to us. We certainly find ourselves waiting and applying a method of trading that we want to see price do before we enter any buy or sell. So this is fantastic, but normally before this, we would wait for price action to at least open itself up. Are we seeing certain things happening? I'm actually predicting over here a price going to find itself pulling back down before I'll allow it down to the upside. That'll of course give us I wouldn't actually call this a inverted head and shoulders, simply because you're on at the low, but it'll be somewhat of a head and shoulders, and it'll be a failure swing. As you can see, we just changed market structure to the downside. Let me just get another run through again. We made a lower low over here, pulled right back up, made a high high. That's the type of price action we want to be seeing. We want to be seeing that inducement and liquidation of the highs and lows. And once that's done, you want to see price have a pullback for a potential run further up to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. And hence the reason why I found myself not entering a position, because I want to first see that pull back down and then run to the upside, which we also have a fair value kept lining up with this significant buy level over there. Right. All this is taught in the course, like I said, fully comprehensive, and I'm quite certain that you're going to have an absolutely fantastic, informative enlightenment when you purchase the MGR Forex trading course. But all right, don't to remain too long on certain topics, because I know that, so much more to do. There definitely was a sell over here. Like I said, sometimes the indicator is a little bit laggy, but if I just do that there, you can clearly see that it was a very clear buy level over there. And the moment price closes above that buy level, that's a buy level. So if I just take 2 ones away over there, and okay, and as you can see there, that was your buy level, and then we just smashed above, came right back down, and then you just place your SL there, and you take profit, lining up right there. And as you can see, we're running very close to our stop loss, but certainly believe in the system and you will make your money. And there we go. Beautiful opportunity, very clean. And yeah, what a fantastic run towards the upside. Of course, sometimes it doesn't always, especially in back testing mode on trading view, it won't always find itself, updating in live in real time. I know there's opportunity over here and opportunity over there. There is a way for you to see this and to update it manually so you can see where the opportunities are. But of course, that is a premium feature only shown to my premium traders. So unfortunately, I won't be able to do that over here on YouTube. But all right, so here we are. And what a fantastic opportunity on into the USD. And after the GBP USD, you had a beautiful sell opportunity over here, as you can see. Wonderful sell, and this is how it occurred on Thursday evening. And that happened there. What a fantastic opportunity. Lovely sell, and of course, throughout the course, not Fridays with NFP. So of course, there was a beautiful buy over here that we got a hold of, and you were able to enter in that particular trade. But all right. So normally, I would always say that this opportunity, this Bitcoin, that the system, it would normally offer you, perhaps it would normally offer one good trade per week, and that is normally the case on what happened. And of course, over here, there's a fat stop loss. There wasn't even, it didn't have a opportunity to find yourself putting into, running into profits at least. You just went straight into drawdown. But yeah, this actually was a break-even SL. So the moment we smacked TP1 SL break-even, and then smack that stop loss over there. So to show you also an opportunity which you can lose money. But because that TP1 saves you all the time, beautiful. But all right, I want to be as transparent as possible. Of course, with gold, you know how gold is, and the way it trades. But yeah, what a fantastic opportunity. And of course, just prior to that, we had a lovely sell to the downside, smashing TP2. So I wasn't too concerned about the break-even SL on gold. I was like, you know what? We made some good money today. And that's how we trade. And it's absolutely amazing with regard to, how we go about and just find ourselves trading the financial markets. And of course, that was your sell opportunity that you had there. And the reason why you wouldn't even have taken this position, but of course, there is a way of hedging. And I do have a fifth method, or shall I say a sixth method of trading that I trade to the advanced MGR traders, in which we totally eliminate our risk in terms of how we trade. And yeah, that is really the most advanced method that I have. And that I can tell you, that is, wow, it's really hours and hours on the charts. And the mission, of course, is to build successful traders, as you can see over here, right over there. Here at MGRFX Trading, we're building successful traders, and the only way to do that is to be as transparent as possible and to show a comprehensive understanding of the financial markets and how we as retail traders fit into that aspect of the financial market. From my end, I hope it was a fantastic and amazing, informative video. Just showing you the power of our MGRFX Trading automated system. And you know what a beautiful system this is. But you all have a fantastic day. Keep warm, keep safe, get your hands on this system. There is currently a 50% discount, launch discount on this pair up until the end of the year. So get your hands on it, and trust me, I will be doing my utmost in providing the most quality, the highest quality and the highest level of education for you all. But have a fantastic one. Keep well, keep safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.